Hello everyone, so thought to make a quick video to show you my newly received BMW nav6 refresh. So the refresh I received was, I had an issue with the previous nav6 that I had with sort of acquiring the satellite, and I emailed and called Garmin, and they were able to send me the refresh version. Apparently they said it's a new software. Let's look at it together to see what changes they've made to refresh. Maybe you can help me figure out what it is, and if you find anything different, or if I find anything different scrolling through the menu to see if there's something different or new added to the refresh version. So let's go ahead and have a look at it. So when I turn on, this is typically the startup screen. That's how it shows me with the new nav6 refresh. And then we'll start scrolling through the menus, different menus, to see what appears up. So let's start with the view map first. I click on the view map. That's how the map looks. And I feel it looks pretty, I would say, similar to what it was before. So that's how the map looks like, and that's how it used to look before. If anything looks unusual or better than before, feel free to write in the comments below, as I'm going through the menu, that you feel something looks different. So let's click here. What else is there? So in the sub menu you see traffic, mute, media player, my motorcycle, exit services, trip computer, compass, fuel settings, map layers, brightness, where to, verb remote. I know some of the items in this menu and some I don't know. I've never used them, but we'll probably play around with them sometime. Let's go back, and then we go into apps here. So when we go into apps, we see again trip planner, media player, tracks, compass again. Anything different in the compass? This is how it looks. Round trip. What else is there? My motorcycle, smartphone, link, where I have been, lost spot, wall clock, alarm clock, calculator, unit converter, help. So that's all that's here. Let's go into settings, and the first setting that's up there, it's map and vehicle. We'll go into it, and scrolling that down, we see vehicle, driving map view, map details. Anything in that? Normal, less, more. I guess that's all that's there. Map theme is Garmin, Belgium, Denmark. I guess different themes, so we'll keep what it is. Map buttons, map layers, dashboards. What's into dashboards? Okay, and here we'll click cancel here, go down, auto zoom, my maps. Where are my maps? I guess it just shows me what maps I have. So I have the Canadian and North American maps. I guess these are the default that come when you buy a nav6, and that's what I'm getting here. Let's go back here again, back again, and then we were in navigation. Let's go into display, displays orientation, brightness, display timeout, screenshot, and then related items. We'll probably find them in other menus as well. So Bluetooth here, the name. Okay, let's go down, traffic mode, traffic subscription. I don't have any subscription, so I don't think I'll have any information in there, but okay. And then we go into units and time. Current time, I have the 24-hour clock set, kilometers, position format, and then the related items. So language and keyboard, I guess that's a standard item as well. I don't see anything else change here. So standard menu from what it was. We'll go down, click in device here, and that's about. So this is an information that some of you, I would say, might find it helpful. because this displays what the refresh version is. So hardware version is V7SA3. I don't know if the older version was any different than this or was the same. Make sure to compare it. Unit ID, I guess that would be different for every other. Software version is 10. And so that could be a different one for anyone who doesn't have a refresh, I'm assuming. Please feel free to check what you have and let me know in the comments below. The audio version, text version, GPS firmware could be a different one, could be the same as well. Let's scroll down, and I guess it's all the copyrights of different things that Garmin has over this. Detail maps is what it shows here. And what else is down? Wall clock, JPEG. I'm just trying to scroll down here. So in case you find anything different, or I find anything different, I'm not able to make out much difference between this and the previous one, except like I said, all I feel that's different is previous one had a white background and this has a black background. I've yet to try this at night to see how practical it is while reading, but I guess these are just different files that I see scrolling. I don't see much difference here. Yeah, so we'll just go back. Okay, perfect. Garmin clock. Okay, lock device, change pin. So that's a lock probably. Anything else here? I don't see anything else different that's here. So that's about it, guys. What's in the volume? Okay, yep, that's about it. Settings is what we have been through now. So this is how it looks. Okay, so when we click where to, it has go home, BMW MOTORRAD address. Any saved addresses would be there, gas stations, restaurants. So pretty similar to what was there before, I would say. Thank you so much for watching this video, everyone. I hope you found this mini sort of walk around with the refresh helpful. If you did, please make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button if you're new to the channel, so you don't miss on any future upcoming videos. Till next time, ride safe, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.